Hi, hello, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 3.3 calculus 1. Okay, right. Two rules we are going to study. Number one, it's product rule, and number two, it's quotient rule, right? So what do you mean by product rule? When you are going to take the derivative and that derivative functions are in product. For example, in the last video, I teach you how to find the derivative for x power 3. What did you do? Yes, I took f dash of x equals, I use the formula f of x equals x power n, and f dash of x equals what? N x power n minus 1. So here it will happens to what? 3x to the power of 3 minus 1, which is equal to 3x to the power of 2. So this is for one function. Suppose you have two functions, f of x equals x cube multiplied by x square minus 1. So if you have two functions, this functions looks in the model what? Product. Product means what? Multiplication. If it is in multiplication, you have to use the first rule, which is the product rule. What is product rule? You need to call the first one as u and the second one as v. After that, you need to take the derivative. You keep the first function, don't do anything. The second function, take the derivative. Plus, keep the second one, take the derivative of first one. So, it means what? U v dash plus v u dash. Okay, right. Let's go to the quotient rule. Quotient means divide. Okay, right. So when you have functions is in the format of like this. For example, f of x equals x cube divided by x square minus 1. If you have a situation like this, and if you want to find the derivative f dash of x, how it looks like? It looks like a quotient model. It means numerator, that is up, and denominator you have. If it is like this, you are going to apply this rule. What is this rule? Just make a line. You need to put v square. Then after that, take this v, derivative of u, minus take the u and derivative of v. Listen carefully. Here first is v, next is u dash. After that, minus u v dash, opposite. So divided by what? V square, right? So this is the formula to find the quotient rule. So in this exercise, we are going to do product rule and quotient rule problems. Okay. For exam point of view, this is very important. So you should be very careful how to take the derivative of product functions, how to take the derivative of quotient functions, which is in division. Right, let's go to the first question. The first question is given y is equal to, given y is equal to what? Given y is equal to x cube plus 1 and 2x square plus 8x minus 5. So what they are asking you to find? Find the derivative of y with respect to x. The meaning of this is you are going to find the derivative of y. What is the meaning of this? Derivative of y. Derivative of y with respect to x. It means you are going to find dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x. In the last video, I told you what is dy by dx. You remember one area problem we did. dA divided by dr. What is this? Area. What is this? Radius. So what is the meaning of this? Rate of change of area with respect to what? R. Same thing this one. Rate of change of y with respect to x. So in simple way, we can call derivative of y with respect to x. Okay. So let's start the derivative. This is the function u and this is the function v. Okay, right. So let me write separately. U is equal to x cube plus 1, right? And v is equal to 2x square plus 8x minus 5. So what is the product rule? The product rule is, let me write here, differential of u v is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Keep the first one, take the derivative of second one. Keep the second one, take the derivative of first one. Let me recollect again. Keep the first one, take the derivative of second one. Plus, keep the second one, take the derivative of first one. Keep means keep it, don't touch, don't do anything. Take the derivative means you need to do the dash. Right. So let's start now. What is u dash? What is the derivative of x cube? The derivative of x cube is, just take it here, 3x to the power of 3 minus 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1. I'm sorry. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. According to which formula? According to the formula, right? Derivative of x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. Okay, right. So this 3 comes here, 3 minus 1 plus, what did I say? Derivative of a number. Number means what? Constant. Always derivative of a number is what? 0. So u dash is equal to 3x power 3 minus 1 is equal to what? 2. So this is your u dash and this is your u. Right. Let's go for next v dash. V dash is equal to, you are taking the derivative of v with respect to x. 2x square derivative is what? 2, don't touch. This 2, keep it down. So it will come to x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 8. Don't touch it. X to the power of 1. Just slowly take it down. 1 x to the power of 1 minus 1 minus, what is this one? Is this a number, right? So the derivative of the number is what? 0, right? So this equals v dash is equal to 2 into 2, which is 4. X to the power of 2 minus 1 is what? 1 plus 8 into 1 is 8. X to the power of 1 minus 1 is what? 0. This 0, no need to write. So v dash is equal to 4. X power 1 means what? X plus 8x power 0. 8x power 0. What is x power 0? Anything to the power of 0 is what? 1. Okay, right. So v dash, or you can say v prime, or you can say derivative of v. 3 words you can use. In the last video I said, remember? Right. So v is ready and v dash is ready. U is ready and u dash is ready. Sometimes you forget the rule in the exam. So let me tell you one shortcut, keep in your mind. What is the shortcut? What is the rule? U v dash, up, down. Okay, right? Next, v u dash. Where is v? Here. Up, down. So this arrow mark, please remember, you won't forget in the exam. Let me tell you again. Up, down, and in between plus. Once again, I'll repeat. U v dash, up, down, plus v u dash, up, down. Again, I'll tell you. U v dash, up, down. This is up, okay? This is down, okay? And this is up, and this is down, and then up, down. Okay, right? So let's write the formula. What is the formula? The formula is u v dash minus v u dash. Right. So what is u? The first one, up, okay, and then down. What is down? 4x plus 8. Look at the arrow mark. I just took this one and then I just took this one. This one first and this one next. Sorry, there is a plus. Sorry, there is no minus, it's plus. So plus v u dash. What is v? 2x square plus 8x minus 5. Up, then down. What is down? 3x square. So just remember up, down, okay, and then up and then down. Easy to remember. You don't need to remember as a formula, right? So this equals, right? Now we need to simplify this expression. Okay, everybody? What do you mean by simplify? Slowly multiply. That's it. Okay, right? X cube into 4x. What is that? 4x power 4 plus x cube into 8. How much? 8x cube plus 1 into 4x. How much? 4x. 1 into 8. How much? Plus 8. Okay. 2 to 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Now plus 2x square into 3x square. How much? 2 into 3, which is 6. 2 into 3 is how much? 6. Okay, 1 minute. 2 into 3 is 6. X power 4. Okay. Then slowly, there is only one term here. Not like here plus. Okay. Then second with this. Okay. 8 into 3 is 24. X into x square is x power 3. and then minus. Why? Minus into plus is minus. 15 times x power 2. Okay, right. Now slowly simplify. Take the same term. Same term means what? Sawa. Right. So now we have x power 4. We have x power 4. Okay, right. So 4 plus 6, how much? 10x power 4. Right. After x power 4, go to x power 3. So here is 8x cube. Here is 24x cube. 8 plus 4 is how much? 32x power 3. Okay. Next. After x cube, is there any x square? X square, x square, x square. Yes. Here is the x square is there. So minus 15x square. Okay. Right. After that x term. How many x term is there? Only one x term is there, which is plus 4x. Is there any number term is there? Yes, here is the number term, which is plus 8. So this is your answer for the product of two functions when we are taking derivative. Clear? Right. So now let's go to the next question. Now look at the function. This function looks like division. It means quotient, u by v, which is up and then down. If it is like this, you need to remember the formula v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. Okay, right. So this is your u and this is your v. So u is equal to v cube minus 1 and v is equal to v cube plus 1. Don't worry, this v different, this v different. Okay, right. So we are going to take the derivative u dash. We are going to take the derivative v dash. Just imagine this is like x. This is like x. Don't worry. Okay, right. So what's the derivative of x cube? 3v, 3 minus 1. What's the derivative of number? 0. Then take this one, 3v, 3 minus 1. What's the derivative of this one? 0. So u dash is equal to 3v power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. V dash is equal to 3v. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Now it's clear? Right. Now let me go to the formula. Right. What is the formula? The formula is, just write it like this, which is v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. Right. So where is your v? Let me box this, all these things. What is u? This is your u, right? And this is your u dash, u prime. This is your v, okay? And this is your v dash, okay? Right. Let us start now, okay? Right. V u dash. Where is the v u dash? Just come like this, v u dash. So v is v cube plus 1. You can remember the arrow. 3v square minus uv dash. Same uv dash. Go here. Right. So it's totally reverse. You can see that. Totally reverse. There is up to down. You can see that. Here also up to down, but the reverse way. uv dash, which is v cube minus 1 into 3v square, divided by v square. What is your v? This one. V cube plus 1 the whole square. No need to simplify the denominator. Just simplify only the numerator. Okay. V cube into this, which is 3 v power 5. Because power 3 power 2 plus 1 times this, which is 3v square minus v cube into this, which is 3v power 5. This minus going to become what? Plus. So which is 3v square, which is divided by v cube plus 1 the whole square. So this equals, now look at here, 3v power 5, 3v power 5 cancels. 3v square, how much? 6v square divided by v cube plus 1 the whole square. Clear everybody? It's very easy. So one question in product rule and one question in quotient rule. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Here there is no product rule, no quotient rule, but it comes in this exercise. Nothing to worry. We will do this question. Okay. So f of t is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. No product rule, no quotient rule. Look here, nothing like this and nothing like this. Okay, not this one, not this one. So there is no product rule, but it comes in this exercise. So nothing to worry. We just take the derivative. Okay. So I'm going to write this as f of t equals, this is t square, no problem. This I bring it to the top, t power minus 2. Why? Because I'm going to apply the rule x power n. When I apply the rule is what? N x power n minus 1. So if n is on the top, easy for me to do the derivative. Okay. Right, let's go for the derivative. F dash of t is equal to 2 comes here, 2 t power 2 minus 1 plus this comes here minus 2 t power minus 2 minus 1. Clear? Right. So therefore f dash of t equals 2 t to the power of 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. Plus of minus how much? Minus 2t power minus 2 minus 1 how much? Minus 3. So this equals 2t minus 2. This one t power minus 3. T power minus 3, when I write like this, it will come down. So 1 by t to the power of 3. Teacher, should I write this step? Not necessary, but this is also correct. This is also correct. This is f dash of t. Why I am writing like this? Because look at my question. He gave in the denominator. Can you see here? So I wanted to give the answer also in the denominator. That's it. Otherwise, this is also correct answer. Which one? This one. This is also correct answer. Right. So we did one question, how to find the derivative. Now let's go to the last question, which is a statement question. Nothing to worry. Statement question is very, very easy. I told you. Just get the detail from the question. And just what is given, what is to find. That's all. Okay. Right. Let us read this question. A convex lens of focal length f is shown in the figure, but figure is not here, nothing to worry. If an object is a distance p from the lens as shown, from the distance q from the lens to the image is related to p and f by the lens equation. So as a mathematics work, we just concentrate on this. So there is an equation given. What is the equation? 1 by f is equal to 1 by p plus 1 by q. That is the equation given. Right. If for particular lens f is equal to 2. So we are going to substitute finally f is equal to 2. Right. F is equal to what we are going to do? We are going to substitute 2. So let me substitute f is equal to 2. So f is equal to 2 given. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by p plus 1 by q. Yes, ready. Now what is the question? Find. Okay. What is the question? Find. What to find? A general formula for rate of change of q with respect to p. Last video I said very clearly. What is rate of change of q with respect to p? It means you are going to find out dq divided by dp. Rate of change of q with respect to p. I gave more examples. Today also I gave you, I think so, in the first question. I gave you some exercise. You can see that. Read here. What is this? Rate of change of y with respect to x. What is this? Rate of change of area with respect to radius. Same thing. Now we are going to calculate what? We are going to calculate dq divided by dp. What is this dq? Rate of change of q with respect to p. Okay, this is the first question. After that, the same question, rate of change of q with respect to p if p is equal to 22. It means after calculating, we are going to put what? P is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay. Now, if I ask you to find dy by dx, if I say like this, what you will do? You will go to an equation called y, right? Suppose there is a y equation is there, for example, x square. Then you do dy by dx, which is equal to 2 will come here, x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2x, right? So if I say find dy by dx, you need y. Am I right? Yes. Same thing, if you want to find dq by dp, you need what is q is equal to, right? So we need an equation q is equal to. Before that, let me give you one example. Just listen. Just I will show you here. 1 by 2 equals 1 by 4 plus 1 by x. Suppose the situation is like this. This is an equation. For example, I'm giving you a practice. For example, I'm giving an equation. So now my question is to find x. Just find x. What you will do? So my 1 by x is here, right? So I want to find x. So what I will do? 1 by 2. This I will bring it here. Minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by x. Correct? Yes. Okay, good. After that, I take 4 here. So I multiply this by 2, multiply by this 2. This is multiply by 1, this is multiply by 1. So what I will get? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. What is 2 minus 1? Minus 1 by 4 is, sorry, plus 1 by 4 equals 1 by x. Clear? Clear? Right. So what happens now? Now we want to find x. Look here. Where is x? X is in the denominator. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to flip here and I'm going to flip here. If I flip here, I will get x equals. If I flip here, I will get 4 equals. All of you clear with this idea? Right. Same idea I'm going to follow here. Listen carefully. What is my question? My question is find, what is my question? My question is find dq divided by dp. This is my question. I wrote it here. Look at here. dq divided by dp. This is my question. Find dq divided by dp. It means first I need equation q equals. Then only I can go for dq. Am I right? So where is your q? Your q is here. So what I'm going to write? I'm going to write 1 by 2 minus 1 by p is equal to 1 by q. Are you okay, everybody? This 1 by p, I'll take it this side. Okay, clear? Right. So what happens now? I'll take the LCM. They call it as least common multiple, but no problem. Just take this number and this number. So what I will do, here already 2 is there. So I should multiply by what? P. Here multiply by what? P. Here what I will multiply? 2. Here I will multiply what? 2. Why? I want to get 2p in the down. I want to get 2p in the down. Okay? Just like simple example. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. You want to get 4. So multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2. So 2 to 4. Already 4 is there. Multiply 1, multiply 1. Okay? Right. Similarly, I give one more example. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. What I will do? You will put 2 multiply 3 here. Here you multiply what? 3. Here multiply 3. Here multiply what? 2. Here multiply what? 2. So it is 3 minus 2. Got it? So this idea I think you are very clear. The same idea I am using. This multiply by p, multiply by p, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So if I multiply, I'll get what? 1 times p, which is p, and 1 times 2, which is 2, which is equal to 1 by q. What is the question? I want q equals. Right. So let me write this once again. P minus 2 divided by 2p is equal to 1 by q. So what is my q equals? Flip and then flip. What you'll get? 2p divided by p minus 2. Got it? Everybody clear? Right. All these ideas you are going to use it. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find now dq divided by dp. We are going to find what? dq divided by dp. That is the question. Look here. dq divided by dp. We are going to find that one. Right. So this is of the model u by v. Right? Yes. So the question is we are going to find dq by dp. So u equals 2p and v equals p minus 2. U dash is equal to 2p, derivative is 2. V dash is equal to derivative of p is 1, derivative of number is 0. So v dash is equal to 1. So this is your u and this is your u dash. And this is your v, okay, and this is your v dash. Now the question starts. dq by dp, which is equal to, write the rule. The rule is v square v times u dash minus u times v dash. Clear? Right. So let me go to the question. Right. I'll choose another color. Okay. Right. Now look here. V into u dash, reverse, come this side. Okay. V into u dash. So what is V? V is P minus 2. Okay. Times this one 2. Minus, come from up to down the reverse way. Right. And this in between minus. So what is u? U is 2p. And what is your v dash? 1. Okay. Divided by, what is your v? Your v is this one, p minus 2. P minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to, now you are going to simplify. Okay. You are going to do what? Simplify. So p minus 2 the whole square. P into 2 is 2p. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 2p into 1 is 2p. So what happens? 2p gets cancels. So you'll get minus 4 divided by p minus 2 the whole square. Clear? Right. So your dq by dp, which is equal to minus 4 divided by p minus 2. This is your first question, which is your A question. This is your what? A question. Now we are going to find B question. What is a B question? Very simple. The same question. Now they are asking rate of change of Q with respect to P if P is 22 centimeter. Okay. So let me go to the question. You are going to find the B question. dq divided by dp at P is equal to how much? 22 centimeter, which is equal to minus 4 divided by P is 22 minus 2, which is whole square, which is equal to, let me check in the calculator. Okay, put the fraction mode. Okay, so which is minus 4 divided by, bracket open, 22 minus 2, close the bracket, and then square, which is equal to minus 1 divided by 100, which is equal to minus 0.01. Clear all of you? Right. So this finishes your product and quotient rule for the derivative of a function. So this finishes your 3.3 exercise. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.